Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add assets in CapCut PC or easy CapCut import tutorial. So if you want to go ahead and try to make some edits onto your videos and you want to add those imports or those edits that will make your video more amazing, then you're onto the right guide. So for the first thing that you need to do in here is to open the CapCut app. Once you're already in here, you'll just need to create a new project for that one. And then right after, you'll just need to wait for this one to load. Now let's add in the videos that we want to edit. So for you to be able to do that, just head here under the media. There is an import option for local in there. So you're just gonna drag and drop the video that you want to go ahead and use, or you could simply click onto the import option in there to browse through your files. So it should look something like this. And to add this onto your timeline, you could simply drag and drop it again, or you could use the add to track button or this plus icon. So simply click onto that. And then right after, to add in the assets or the edits that you want to add onto your video, what you need to do right after is to import them again. So for you to be able to add those assets, just click onto the adjustments in here, onto the upper part of it, and you should be able to find in the LUT in here. So LUT is the lookup tables for CapCut, and you could go ahead and import different effects in here that you could add onto your videos. So you could simply click onto the import option in here through your downloaded LUTs, or you could simply drag and drop again the videos that you want to add. So what you need to do is just drag and drop it in here, and it will go ahead and import those edits or assets onto your CapCut. So we're just gonna wait for that one. And then right after, once it is done, for us to be able to use it, it is the same onto adding a media onto the timeline. So you could simply drag and drop the video just like that. And then you could go ahead and simply edit or simply adjust it so that it should look something like this. So you could add more assets if you'd like. You could overlay them, or you could make those changes as per your liking. And that is just basically it, how you add the assets in CapCut PC. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.